Hey guys, today's video is going to be my January Boxycharm unboxing. January 2021. Let's go. Where are we going? Hopefully nowhere, because we still should be staying home. I've been getting Boxycharm for a long ass time. Almost 7 years now. And I love it so much. I will link my It's Monday. I will link my Boxycharm playlist down below. You guys can check out almost 7 years worth of videos. The theme for this month is fresh start. I like that. First thing is from Avant. Avant. This is the Avant Skincare Biphase Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Micellar Water. Retails for $90. Seriously? It's a micellar water. $90. Okay, it says, infused with replenishing ingredients, Biphase Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Micellar Water. That's a long name. It presents an oil phase aiming to instantly dissolve resilient and waterproof makeup, and a micellar water phase working to capture impurities. It dissolves makeup without rubbing or rinsing. I'm going to try this. $90 for a micellar water. Shake before to thoroughly combine the two phases. There's two phases in here. Actually, if you look at it, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it is dark blue up here and it's like lighter on the bottom here. I don't know why I have so much energy for a Monday. I don't know. Maybe it's because I have an amazing newborn. My 3-week-old, you guys, averages sleeping at night. He averages between 5 to 8 hours a night. Like, what? The other night, he's up to 8 hours. That's his record so far, an 8-hour stretch. But he's had a couple of 7-hour stretches, a couple of 6-hour stretches, like 6.5-hour stretches. Like, it's crazy. Keep my fingers crossed it stays this way because mama feels good. Okay, next thing in the box is from Pharmacy. This is the Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer. This retails for $38. It's an oil-free and silicone free daily moisturizer that delivers lightweight, lasting hydration without leaving skin feeling greasy. This vegan, cruelty-free formula contains hyaluronic acid and a blend of phytonutrients known to help clear pores and reduce shine. There's that guy. I've gotten some pharmacy products in, I think, previous Boxycharms, but I don't really like to try new skincare because I know what works for me and because it takes so long to see results. Like, I don't get the patience for that. I want to just stick to the shit that I know that works for my skin, you know? Like, I don't know. This is pretty, though. Maybe I'll try it because it's pretty looking. Oil-free gel moisturizer. Let's smell it. Oh, if I can open it. Oh. Ooh. Papaya. I don't smell papaya. And willow herb phytonutrients. Yeah, it's like herby. That's what it is. I don't really like that scent. Next thing in the box is from Seraphine Botanicals. This is the Apple and Balm Glow Lip Mask. Retails for $25. Boost hydration and glow with this protective lip mask formulated with shea butter, apricot, plus jojoba and rosehip oils that work. I'm just gonna start making songs whenever I mess up my words. Okay, they work synergistically to keep lips chapped free, soothed, and plumped all at once. It's made with green apple and pineapple extracts to help rid lips of unsightly dead skin cells and fine lines. There's this guy. Cute little packaging. Let's smell it. Ooh. Ooh, yes, that smells like apples. There is that. This is from Trust Fun Beauty. This is the Lipgasm lip gloss in Unprofessional. A sheer hot peach that will tell the world you mean business and that your business is none of theirs. HR is already sweating. It's a little inappropriate, but okay. Retails for $18. Lipgasm. Okay. Is this like a lip plumper? Does it say? It doesn't. It just has like weird words. It doesn't say what it actually does. Is this it's a lip gloss, I guess, but is it plumping? Is it plumping? I'm not really a fan of lip plumpers. That's not peach. That is not a peach color. This is like a bright corally pink color. That's not peach. That is not peach. I'm gonna say it one more time. It's not peach. Doesn't have a scent. I'm always weary of things that don't have a scent. Weird. Yeah, that's definitely not peach. That is like a corally, like corally coral color. I'm obnoxious in this video. I'm sorry. Last thing in the box is a palette from Voss. This is the Olive You Forever, guys. Olive green is like my shiz right now. I recently got olive green bed sheets and a new blanket, and I'm just all about that color, and I'm all about like this color too, like a mauvey, dusty rose color. So yeah, I was excited to get this. Again, this is from Voss. This retails for $34. It was designed with universally flattering olives in hues that complement one another flawlessly. It's packed with the most luxe formulas and creamy mattes. I don't know, my shoulder's dancing. Mesmerizing metallics and impactful foils. Achieve endless eyeshadow looks, from modern, soft, sultry to a seductive olive smoky eye that will have them green with envy. Where's that? Olive You Forever. It's cute. Is that what it's called? Yeah, Olive You Forever. Cute. Oh, upside down. Where's that? Let's see. Oh, yes. Ooh, 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 ooh. I don't know why I have so much energy. It's Monday morning. Did I tell you guys that? I think I did. I like these colors. I'm just like staring at them. I'm not even showing them. Like, guys, these colors are really great. They're great. I like them. I'll show them to you. Look at those. Ooh, what does that one say? Olive Me, Olive You. Oh, yes. This is the palette I will use. Yes, I will. Yes, I will wear all these colors. All of them. Olive, get it? Olive. I'll wear all of the colors. I need to go run a mile. No. Running, yeah, no. I don't run unless I'm being chased. Not a big fan. Not a fan of cardio. I will work out other ways, but cardio, schmardio. What? There's just two people riding down my road on a four-wheeler. Just randomly, friggin', what time is it? 11 o'clock on a Monday morning, like, okay. Anyway, this box, I like this box. Yes, I do. I'm really excited for this palette because I like all of the colors. This color, although it was, well, I wiped it off. It wasn't like opaque. It was sheer enough where I would wear this. But if it was like a true peach color, I probably would wear it more often than this color, you know? Anyway, this guy, I'm excited to try this lip mask. This Daily Greens Pharmacy Moisturizer, I will try it. Although, again, I do have my skincare that I really like. I'll try it. This micellar water, I'm really excited to try. Again, $90. Oh, look, it's separated again. Oh, yeah, you can totally see now. Oh, okay. Yes, I'm definitely excited to try this. So that is it for my January 2021 Boxycharm unboxing video. I'll have a link down below if you want to sign up for Boxycharm. And I will link my Boxycharm playlist down below if you're not convinced by this video. You should go watch a couple other videos because it is seriously the best monthly subscription box. The best monthly subscription beauty box that I have ever received, and I've received a lot of them. I'm going to start doing more unboxing videos. I used to do a bunch on this channel, but yeah, I want to get back into that because I love doing like monthly subscription, yearly subscription. I like doing subscription box unboxing videos is what I'm trying to say. I need to like go clean or something because I've got so much energy. I need to put it to use. Okay. What am I doing? What am I doing? Oh my gosh. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video.